the truth about chakras.
All is mind, but the mind is not the all.
Peace once again, my fellow expressions of consciousness. If you're new to my channel, what I do here is I help point people out of the limited belief that they are a limited being, because it's simply not true. Now, as I film this video, my thinking is I will make this a 2-part or 3-part, I'm not sure yet, series of videos. I have not spoken about chakras solely before, I don't believe, on my channel. So I have been asked on my perspective on chakras, so here goes. So since this is going to be a series of videos, I don't have to say everything in this first video. I, on my journey, used to deal with chakras, meaning I used to try to open my third eye, open my heart chakra, open all of the chakras, so-called get enlightened. I used to try to unblock my chakra. I've been trained, shamanically speaking, and also other spiritual practices, in how to remove spiritual debris from people's chakras, and my own, of course, using tools or just my hands. I understand the current popular belief around chakras, which is, if you don't know, that there are 7, some will say 8 main chakra points in one's body. And the chakra points are spinning wheels of energy. If they become blocked, you will become blocked within your body, physically or emotionally or even mentally, depending on which chakra it is and which degree that it is blocked. So what many people are told to do is to try to keep them balanced. If you're feeling out of whack, it's because your chakras are out of whack, they're out of balance. So I used to have this belief. You can tell by my words that I don't have this belief anymore, because I see the truth. Truth is that which is ever changing. So chakras to me are, now how I see them, they're tools. Try not to take a tool for anything more than the fact that it is here to help one in some way, shape or form. A hammer is a tool to help you in some way, shape or form. Hammer is not the truth of the universe. A remote control is a tool to be used. A remote control is not the truth of the universe, an absolute intrinsic truth. The remote control of TVs. It's the same for chakra, the chakra system. They are tools, not the truth. Universal truth. They are an agreement of a way to help one understand themselves a bit more deeply. So chakras can be used first and foremost as a way to start really questioning, am I just physical? You put your hand over my heart and now I feel different. Was that my heart chakra? That's fine to have that belief. You've opened something in my heart. You've opened something in my solar plexus. Oh, I'm having sexual issues. You've opened something in my first chakra, the root chakra, and now I feel more confident, less shamed to have sex with my partner, for example. You can make the correlation, and that's a way to help one understand themselves more deeply than the limited perspective of being a solely physical being. Because you are not, my friends. You are far more than what you see. So, the chakras are like a tool, they're like a map. And I must say, a brilliant map, a brilliant tool, a brilliant system. I'm not knocking chakras at all. Learning about chakras definitely helped to open me up to the idea of not being a physical entity solely. And it definitely helped me connect more to the idea that I can heal myself, for example. The idea that if I just stop what I'm doing and attend to myself, I can make things better in my life by, as the belief was at the time, unblocking my chakras. So there's nothing wrong with chakras at all, but the truth is they do not exist as you believe they are. They are just mental maps. They are just ideas that help us connect more deeply within ourselves. For a chakra to actually exist, this spinning wheel, you'd have to have some direct experience of it. Otherwise, you're having a complete trust in a non-existent experience. You may as well believe in there not being chakras. You may as well believe in a flying snake, flying monkey. You may as well. So, as I've said before, truth is that which is unchanging. Plus, if we have not experienced it, or if nobody has experienced it, if it cannot be experienced, if it cannot be reasoned with, then be open to the possibility that it is not what you believed it was. This will be hard to hear for some people who are highly emotionally invested in chakras, have even created a job out of being a chakra healer or something like that. But I'm here to tell you the truth, and I know that you are me too. So essentially speaking, you know this too. The chakras do not exist. Other than the fact that they are tools, they are a map, and they are a good map and a good set of tools to help us connect more deeply within ourselves. I mean, that's beautiful. The fact that the chakras are said to be specific colors, again goes to show you that they are created as tools, as pointers to help point to something else. Which is the truth that you are not solely a physical being. I will say more in part 2 of this mini series on chakras. If you like the video, please like the video. Have a wonderful day or evening, my fellow expressions of consciousness.